Do you find yourself in possession of a distressed property or one in dire need of extensive renovations within the Dallas area? If so, you're in luck. Wheeloo Investments is actively seeking out such properties in your vicinity. You may wonder why we're particularly interested in distressed homes. The answer is simple. At Wheeloo, we possess a passion for transforming properties into magnificent homes. We take pride in our ability to apply the finishing touches that turn a property from lackluster to luxurious. And with our extensive network of top-tier home improvement and interior design companies spanning across America, we have all the resources necessary to bring your property to its fullest potential. Gone are the days of fretting over building violations or grappling with the headaches of managing a problematic property. Instead, envision the prospect of profiting from the sale of your property and reclaiming the freedom to relish life's joys. To explore this opportunity further, don't hesitate to reach out to us at 502-503-5021. Our dedicated customer service representatives are eagerly awaiting your call, prepared to provide you with all the information and assistance you require. We are genuinely excited at the prospect of collaborating with you and discussing how we can best serve your needs. So, why wait? Contact us today and take the first step toward a brighter future for your property. We can't wait to connect with you. Have a fantastic day.